All right, guys, now we're going to talk about proportions as it relates to similar triangles. So we already figured out how to make proportions super easy. We just have to stay organized and remember our equivalent fractions. Now let's look at triangles. Similar triangles, what does that mean? That means the sides of each triangle are proportional. That means 3 is proportional to 5, 6 is proportional to 10. If the sides are proportional and the triangles are similar, then it also means all of our angles are equivalent. Sides of two triangles are proportional, and the angles of these two triangles are equal. Then they qualify as similar triangles. So, what did we say our first easiest step was? Well, let's look at side A to B. A to B should be proportional to DE on our larger triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my small sides, the sides of my small triangle over the sides of my large triangle. And I'm going to consistently do that. This setup is extremely important. If we get this setup correct, we cannot go wrong. This is our small triangle. This here is our large triangle. So, this side, A to B, is 3 long. That can compare to our larger triangle, D to E, which is 5 long. Let's look at more sides. Got this bottom side here, A to C. Bottom side here on our similar triangle DEF is DF. So we have small triangle 6, large triangle 10. Now, we have one more side left to compare. This longest side here. On our small triangle, that's 8. On our large triangle, we don't know. So it's X. This is small, this is large. Okay, our setup is perfect. Small over large equals small over large equals small over large. We've got our blue sides that correspond to each other. This side is proportional to this side, and our green side on our small triangle is proportional to our green side on our large triangle, as well as our yellow sides. So along with organization, we have to remember our equivalent fractions. 3/5 should equal 6/10, which should equal 8 over x. Does 3/5 equal 6/10? Well, yes, 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 2 is 10. So since these two are equal, all we have to do is get that third side equal to either one of these, right? It doesn't matter if we compare it to 6 over 10 or to 3 over 5. It's all the same thing. Let's pick 3 over 5. So our side that's 3 on our small triangle corresponds to our side that's 5 on our large triangle. And that needs to equal 8 on our small over, well, x on our large. Remember cross multiplication? this should equal this. So 5 times 8 should equal 3x, which means 40 equals 3x. Divide by 3, we get x equals 40 over 3, which equals 13 1/3. Therefore, our x right here should be 13 1/3. And bam! Now we know that this side, our yellow side on our small triangle, is proportional in the same way that all the other sides are proportional to triangle DEF. And that's it.